Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to my channel. This is Lorraine, and what I have in front of me is an 11 by 14 inch canvas that I've covered with some leftover blue. It's kind of a premix color. There's some metallics in it, so it's a little bit shimmery. And what I want to do today is a swipe, a little bit different. Let me tell you what colors I'm going to use. I'm going to use a Quinacridone Magenta. I have a turquoise. I have a violet. And then I have their counterpart in the metallics. This is a rose quartz, a little bit lighter than the magenta. This is called Peacock Pearl. It's a metallic turquoise. And then I have Amethyst, which is a metallic violet. And what I am going to do is put down a line in the center. Let's start with the magenta. And then I'm going to go in with its metallic. Put that right on top of it. And then I'm going to do the turquoise right next to it here. And I think I'll do a stripe of it here. And then the Peacock Pearl. And then the violet. Trying to make them so that they touch each other. Don't want so much that blue to be in between. And then I'll go in with the amethyst. Might have a stuck. There we go. I don't think there's very much of the amethyst left here. I might not make it with the amethyst. Take the lid off, see if I can get it to work that way. Okay. Now the plan today is I have a file divider. It's just thin plastic. And what I'm going to use is my black Amsterdam paint mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I'm going to drag that across. So I have a piece of paper towel I want to put down here. And then, instead of putting my swipe color on my canvas, I'm a little scared of doing this over my painting, but I want to be able to show you. I'm going to put a thin line of this at the edge of my plastic, like this. Whoa, it dripped. Didn't really want to drip, but it'll be okay. It dripped in the middle instead of on the edge, so put just a little bit more on this side. And then turn that over and set it directly in the center, which is over that pink color. Let it rest. I'm going to very, very slowly bring this all the way down to the edge. Wipe it off. I've got a wet towel off to the side here. I'm just wiping it off with. And then I need to do over here. So I don't need the entire thing covered for this. I'm just going to go ahead, cover my edge about halfway so that I have some overlap. Gonna let it run down. Turn that over. Put it right in that pink. Let it settle down. Let's see if I can get a little bit more of the magenta to move this time. Pull it all the way down. Give it a wipe. Okay. A little bit of a stripe there. I'm not so sure I like that very much. So what I'm going to do is put just a tiny bit of black on here. Right where that stripe is. I'm going to set the black in. And I'm going to give it another quick swipe. Bring it all the way down. Just like that. Not as straight as my last one. We'll see how it turns out. Okay. I'm really liking the way this is turning out here. It's perfect, just the way that I wanted it. So I'm going to turn this around. And as you can see, as time goes by, this changes. Some of the black sinks. Alright. I'm going to dry this off a little bit before I go after this edge. And put a little bit of my black Amsterdam with my Australian Floetrol right along the edge. Let it run back and forth so I have a pretty even layer. Just like that. Flip it over. I'm going to start on this side right here. I'm giving it a bit of an angle when I'm pulling it, putting a little bit of pressure on that leading edge. So it pulls the other colors down through. Okay. Then again. Cover that edge. Over a little. Give it an overlap. Sure I have some good contact. And slowly pull it down. Trying so hard not to wiggle back and forth here. It's not easy. Oh, look at all the little cells coming out. It's so pretty. So pretty. I love the color combination. You can see in the middle there's a bit of paint, but it's not moving. So, what do you think, guys? I think it's pretty cool. So here we go. Let me bring it up and give you a close-up of it. Very interesting lacing going on in through there. A little upset with that spot right there, but to me, from this view, it kind of looks like some sort of mountainscape and reflection. It's a little more pink down towards the bottom here. A little bit bigger cells right here, a little lacing. But it's very cool. The lacing goes all the way down across here. Show you the top part here. How that lacing goes all the way down to the edge. So very cool. Alright guys, I'll say goodbye now. Thank you for coming and visiting with me. Appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. Appreciate that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. Share it with your friends. I will see you next time. Bye.